We are launching, by the way, we'd like to share with you, we're launching a massive, big movement. It's called Kaagapay. So Kaagapay is basically a stakeholder, multi-stakeholder convergence uh, in terms of curbing our school violence in our communities, in our schools. Malaki hong bahagi doon sa Kaagapay yung parent effectiveness and parent awareness. And as mentioned by Senator Tulfo, we would like also to reposition the purpose of the PTA na makaging kaagapay po ang Parent Teacher Association for awareness, information dissemination, orientations, and everything, and in terms of advocacy.